The Aprilia 457 rupees is a revolution in the world of motorcycles, embodying the perfect blend of power, precision, and elegance. Born from a legacy of racing excellence, it carries the DNA of Aprilia's championship-winning pedigree. Every detail of this machine is crafted with passion and purpose, reflecting the essence of Italian design and engineering. The 457 rupees is more than just a motorcycle, it is a symbol of speed, freedom, and adventure. It is designed for riders who crave excitement and live for the thrill of the open road. With its aerodynamic profile and aggressive stance, it commands attention and exudes an aura of dominance. Underneath its striking exterior lies a heart that beats with power. The engine is a masterpiece of engineering, delivering exhilarating acceleration and remarkable top speed. It responds instantaneously to the rider's inputs, creating a seamless connection between man and machine. The advanced fuel injection system ensures optimal performance and efficiency, allowing the 457 rupees to roar with authority while maintaining impressive fuel economy. Its lightweight frame provides exceptional agility and handling, making it a joy to maneuver through city streets and winding mountain roads alike. The 457 rupees is equipped with cutting-edge electronics, including multiple riding modes that allow you to customize the performance to suit your style and road conditions. Whether you prefer a relaxed cruise or an aggressive race mode, the 457 rupees adapts to your preferences with precision. The intuitive digital display keeps you informed with real-time data, enhancing your confidence and control on every ride. It features a sleek user interface that provides essential information at a glance, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and more. Safety is paramount, and Aprilia has incorporated state-of-the-art safety features in the 457 rupees. The advanced braking system with anti-lock brakes ensures reliable stopping power even at high speeds, providing maximum safety in emergency situations. The traction control system prevents wheel spin and enhances stability on slippery surfaces, giving you the confidence to push your limits. The 457 rupees is designed to inspire trust and deliver a secure riding experience in all conditions. Ergonomics and comfort are key elements of the RS457's design. The rider-centric seating position ensures maximum comfort and control, allowing you to maintain an optimal posture even during long journeys. The plush seat is crafted with premium materials, providing excellent support and reducing fatigue. The handlebars and footpegs are strategically positioned to enhance comfort while maintaining a sporty stance. The design promotes a natural riding posture that minimizes strain on your back and wrists, ensuring a comfortable ride every time. The 457 rupees is a visual masterpiece, with a sculpted body that showcases its dynamic character and aerodynamic efficiency. Its sharp lines and bold curves are inspired by Aprilia's racing heritage, giving it an unmistakable identity. The full LED lighting system enhances visibility and adds a futuristic touch to its design. The aggressive headlights and sleek taillights not only improve safety but also give the 457 rupees a distinctive presence on the road. Its dual-tone color schemes and premium paint finish add to its sophisticated look, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. Aprilia has integrated smart connectivity features into the 457 rupees, allowing you to stay connected even on the move. The advanced infotainment system enables seamless integration with your smartphone, giving you access to navigation, music, and calls. The Bluetooth connectivity feature ensures hands-free communication, keeping you focused on the road. The RS457's smart interface also allows you to customize the dashboard display and riding settings, enhancing your overall riding experience. The 457 rupees is built to deliver unparalleled performance on every ride. Its powerful engine is paired with a responsive transmission system that provides smooth gear shifts and exceptional acceleration. The precise throttle response ensures maximum control, allowing you to unleash its full potential on the track or the open road. The lightweight chassis and advanced suspension system provide remarkable stability and agility, making it easy to navigate tight corners and sharp turns with confidence. Aprilia's dedication to quality and reliability is evident in every component of the 457 rupees. From the robust engine to the high-performance tires, every part is designed to withstand the demands of high-speed riding. The bike is built with durable materials and superior craftsmanship, ensuring longevity and minimal maintenance. Aprilia's extensive network of service centers and expert technicians guarantee that your 457 rupees remains in top condition, allowing you to ride with peace of mind. The 457 rupees is more than just a motorcycle, it is a lifestyle statement. It represents freedom, adventure, and the thrill of riding. It is designed for those who seek excitement and are passionate about speed. It is a companion that shares your journey, your dreams, and your passion for riding. With its iconic design and exceptional performance, the 457 rupees inspires you to push your limits and explore new horizons. The 457 rupees is a celebration of speed, power, and precision. It embodies Aprilia's racing spirit and showcases the brand's commitment to innovation and excellence. It is built for those who dare to be different, who challenge conventions, and who embrace the thrill of riding. It is for the dreamers, the rebels, and the adventurers who live life on the edge. It is for those who are driven by passion and fueled by excitement. Aprilia has always been a pioneer in motorcycle engineering, and the 457 rupees is a testament to its legacy of innovation. It is designed to inspire, engineered to perform, and built to last. It is a motorcycle that resonates with your spirit and connects with your soul. It is a masterpiece that reflects your personality and defines your style. It is a symbol of freedom, a celebration of life, and an embodiment of passion. With the 457 rupees, Aprilia has redefined the art of motorcycling. It is a machine that brings joy, excitement, and a sense of adventure. It is crafted with precision and designed with passion, making every ride a memorable experience. It is a motorcycle that challenges the norms and sets new standards in performance and style. It is a legend in the making, a masterpiece of engineering, and a dream come true for every motorcycle enthusiast. The Aprilia 457 rupees is not just a motorcycle, it is an emotion, a journey, and an experience. It is for those who live to ride and ride to live. It is for those who follow their dreams and chase their passion. It is for those who are free-spirited, bold, and adventurous. It is for those who seek thrill and excitement. It is for those who embrace the journey and live in the moment. This is the Aprilia 457 rupees, a masterpiece of performance, a symbol of style, and a legend in the making. It is more than just a motorcycle, it is a way of life. It is built to inspire, designed to thrill, and crafted to perfection. It is the future of motorcycling, a celebration of speed, and a tribute to the spirit of riding. It is for those who dare to dream, who dare to explore, and who dare to ride. This is the Aprilia 457 rupees, the ultimate sports machine.